My goodness, you guys, look at the potatoes. They look amazing. Farm nephew Brendan, say what's up to the YouTubies.
What's up? Do you see this?
To Farm Fam. I don't know. Everybody has like a cute nickname for their followers. I like need to come up with something.
You gotta come up with something.
Yeah, I gotta come up with something.
Farmers.
Farm Fam or something like that, or New Lifes.
Don't say farmers like that. Especially
Farmer, like.
Oh my goodness, look at the potatoes, you guys. How exciting. Yay. I came prepared today. I got my little fuzzy thing for my camera, so hopefully that helps with the wind. Let's take a look down here. So in one of my videos, I said that they did plant potatoes all the way down that strip right there. And I guess there must have been some major lack of communication because they actually didn't plant down that strip, and all of those little plastic containers that we recycled that have tomatoes and bell peppers and strawberries in them, those are going to be what gets planted down that strip right there. And here we are, nice and close to the water, the ocean. And I actually just seen some waves. I'm not even joking. I just seen some waves coming up over there. It's so beautiful. So excited. Potatoes galore, potatoes galore. This is very exciting, you guys. If you've seen any of our other videos, it's kind of the routine is to fill the tank with water, come and get hay, and then fill the tank with water, grab the Hasson, come and get hay, and then go feed the cows. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this hay smells so good. I actually really like the smell of this hay. I just want to capture this view for you guys. It's actually a really sunny day. It's nice and clear over here, but then up the island, it's dark. Okay, so now we are about ready to head up to the property that we call Tijuan's because it used to be Sean's Tijuan's house. But then the family purchased it and now we're using it to keep the cows. Oh no, the rain has done a number. It is so wet down there. Look at that one is laying on the other one right there. They're snuggling. Aww.
What happened at that end?
we gotta move it out.
Aww.
I think I bring a little extra water. Come on, get out of the way.
We will soon be moving the feeding stations because what happens is the water comes down from the hill when it rains, and then they also do a whole bunch of their own numbers, number ones and number twos in this puddle right here. And ideally it's not a good setup. So I'm super happy because I guess the guys are going to try to move the feeding troughs. Is that what they're called? Feeding stations? Whatever you want to call them. Yeah, today. But we're going to give them a little bit of food right now. But they actually have like a lot of room. This is just one of the little spots right here. That little spot over there is open, and then I'm gonna take the long way around so that you guys can see their other little spots that they chill in, that they hang out in. See these shoes? That is why I have to take the long way around, because I don't have any of the farming boots yet. So I am gonna take the long way around so I don't get yucky stuff on my feet. Let me come up this way. You can hear the church bells. Look at this view. We had to take down, for safety reasons, this whole like railing right here, because we didn't want anything falling on the cows. There they are, getting their grub on. So the cows have that lot, that little space. They have that space over there. They get this one. Really anything that they can get to. That one over there. They can actually access these two spots right here. And then there's more over there as well too that I'll show you. It's a little slippery because it rained, but they actually have all this spot too, and they love hanging out right here because it's flatter. Sean calls it their bedroom. This is where they like to sleep and stuff like that. I really hope my little microphone thing is working well to block out some of this wind. Trying to move the cows up the hill so that we can start moving the feeding troughs. It looks like the guys have already got started. I am so glad that this is getting moved. Like, that's just so gross.
Go back out that way.
Wow, I can't believe that just happened. So the battery died on my camera. I had it strapped to my wrist just now, and the strap just broke and the camera fell into poo. Lovely. Straggler here. You too, get back in your spot. So my job right now is to stand in this little entrance right here so that the cows don't get out. Hi, Star. You're such a sweet baby. So this is the back side of the house. They are moving the feeding station to a flatter spot. But just check out this view right here. A little slice of paradise out here in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So you guys see that, not this first lava rock wall, but the other one right behind it here. See that little opening right there? That is where we climb. We have to climb to get to the other property that we're clearing out over here that has all of the old fruit trees that we will be planting new fruit trees. couple of them have horns. They're getting their horns. How cute. I'm over here still holding up my post, making sure the vacas don't get out. I'm so sad because I had to switch to my camera, my phone, which has an amazing camera. Sometimes as far as quality goes, you can't even tell the difference, but I don't have my little fuzzy microphone thing to block the wind. But there's my father-in-law, and he is clearing out or trying to level up some of the land right there to fit the feeding, the feeders, I guess you could just call them feeders, the troughs. Here the guys come with another part of the feeder. You guys, what an amazing picture. Everybody's just relaxing, having a good old time. The one in the front literally posed, put out its right hoof right there, and just started posing for me. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Just little babies. So I'm having a standoff with this one right here. Oh.
To make the bedding.
You can't leave. You gotta stay.
So that when it rains, the water is gonna run down there.
They'll be on top. Yeah.
Yeah, they'll be on top of it.
Don't try me.
Is that,
They all came to visit me. Either that or they're just waiting for me to step far enough away from my gap right here. And they're gonna try to sneak behind me. That's a good star. That's a good star. Star, huh? That's a good star. That's a good cow. Sorry for the sound of the chainsaw there, but we're cutting down this tree over here. And the cows are like, hey, free meal. Yay, I'm so excited. The feeding troughs, the feeding stations, or whatever you want to call them, are on an uphill now. So when it rains, it won't build up a puddle at the bottom, and they won't have to stand in wet stuff. I mean, eventually it's going to get wet because they do their number ones and number twos right where they eat, but it's coming along, you guys. This is a happy day for me. Sorry for the chainsaw, but this is the final setup. Again, I am so happy that they are no longer standing in all that yucky stuff down there. They're going to be able to eat in a nice dry spot.
There's more? Stop. Wait, that's not big enough. I think we should get these 4 out. Leave that one alone, because if we take those down, that wall will want to fall. That's all small rock. So I already kept one in on the other side. These here, we'll probably have to take them out of here. But you know what we can do with some of those, Sean? We can roll them. We can roll them over here and set them up on top of this over here, so it'll hold it down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Okay. That's a big rock. Woo!
Can I go over there? Will you move the bag?
Yeah.
the shelf is down. You know what I mean?
Watch your toes, babe.
There you go.
Mm.
That's the ticket. You slip on doo-doo over there.
That's inevitable.
Might make it a little bit slippery for you to put it into place.
Doo-doo around here. Watch out. There.
Ooh, that's part of your ramp right there.
That's a look.
So the guys open this spot up so that the cows have an easier access to the food over here. There's my chicken purse. It's been a really nice day today, you guys. I'm so lucky to be out here enjoying this beautiful weather. The sky got even more clear. Okay, so this is where we're going to be putting the pigs. They're going to have all this big space right here. The guys are up there. It's hard to see because of the glare. But the guys are up there building a ramp right now, or digging out a ramp for them. And then what we'll end up doing is next month get some more baby pigs, and they're going to go in the spot where the other pigs are right now. You guys, it's one of the oldest churches in San Sebastian. Yes, is it dinner time? Is it dinner time? So the last video, you guys didn't get a good look at the chickens, and it's pretty dirty in here, and I don't have the right shoes, so okay. Oh my gosh, they're already way bigger. So these are the chickens for laying eggs. They're getting huge.
Only 2 months.
I can't believe they're only 2 months old. So this is the setup for now.
We'll throw some wood chips over.
Yeah. Just because it's been raining so much, but every time you throw it down on the floor or whatever, then it ends up raining and all the wood chips get soaking wet, sopping wet anyways. So some of you guys have been asking where we store the meat, and we have this freezer, this refrigerator, which I think nothing's even in there right now. This freezer and this freezer as well too. So this is where we store our meat, and the meat freezes pretty quickly in here. Which one you want to grab? Some breast. Oh yeah, and then there's another one. So we have plenty of storage here in the garage. All right, you guys, so we are here at the nursery, the outdoor plant nursery. Everything's doing really well. Oh, this is already starting to grow a lot right here. Look at the babies. So that concludes the video for today. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and that notification bell if you are interested in seeing more farm videos. I'm going to try to get them out to you guys a little bit more often. So hopefully I'll definitely try to do 1 video a week. If not, I'm going to try to do 2 videos a week, and hopefully maybe some shorts in there as well too. I did my first short video the other day, which was kind of cool. But stay tuned for more. Bye for now, Farm Fam.